Listen up. Half-hearted efforts, they get you nowhere. Mediocre results are the outcome of going halfway. Is that what you want? To just exist, not truly live? You deserve more. You are capable of greatness. Don't cheat yourself. Don't cheat your potential. The world needs your full contribution. Unleash the beast within. No more playing small. It's time to rise and shine. Step into your power. Embrace the fire in your belly. Commit to giving your all in every single thing you do. No excuses, no regrets, just relentless pursuit of excellence. Life will test you. Challenges will come. That's guaranteed. But guess what? Resilience is your shield. It's your ability to bounce back, stronger than ever. Adversity, it's not your enemy. It's an opportunity to grow, to learn, to become unbreakable. Embrace the struggle. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Don't let anything break your spirit. Rise above the challenges. You are stronger than you think. Let me tell you something. Success is not a destination. It's a journey, a daily grind, and some days will be harder than others. But here's the secret. Effort is everything, especially on those tough days. That's when you dig deep. That's when you prove your dedication. Push yourself harder. Go the extra mile. Your sweat, your dedication, your effort, it will pay off. I promise you. Champions, they think differently. They love the struggle, the pain, the pressure. It fuels them. It makes them stronger. They don't shy away from challenges. They run towards them. They embrace the grind because they know it's shaping them into something extraordinary. So be a champion. Embrace the journey. Fall down 7 times, stand up 8. Your success is earned through sweat, through struggle, through relentless determination. Now go out there and create your own success story.